What you're hearing there is a yellow-rumped warbler, and I don't know that I can see him so clearly now. He just popped behind the leaves. The birds have a wonderful coloration that matches the leaves. The leaves that they're sitting in, and keeps them quite camouflaged. There's the lake. Here's an anhinga spreading its wings over the water, drying its wings in the sun. Beautiful birds. Birds flying down onto the island where they nest and raise their young. And the alligator sun's on one side of that, where there's a sandy dirt beach.